Hello everyone, it's day 5. Today I started my day with the Odin project. I started the section on Jest testing. So we had to create unit tests for a couple algorithms like capitalize the first string. What was the other one? I know one was a calculator. It was another one, I can't think of what it was. It was another like manipulating the string kind of thing. Excuse me. And then the last one was Caesar cipher. So after doing that, I recalled that Caesar cipher, I felt like I had seen that as like a free code camp problem. So I went back to free code camp just to look, and lo and behold, it's one of the JavaScript projects. So for the Odin project, we had to write a test using the Caesar cipher with a key. But come to find out, there's more than one type of Caesar cipher. That's just one variation. And the free code camp, their version of it is another variation. But I was really able to reuse the majority of my code. I just had to tweak like a couple lines and that was it. So I finished another one of the projects. So now I only need 3 more. Yeah, so I got 2 out of 5 projects completed. And then after doing that Caesar cipher thing twice, basically, just 2 different ways, I was kind of in a mood to just play around with algorithms. So I went back to the intermediate algorithm scripting section on free code camp where I left off. And I think I did like 3 or 4 algorithms that like I had looked at, but I like got a couple checks, but I never got them all correct, and I got it all right. So I went back and I solved those. The last one I'm on is the Pig Latin one. The last condition, I need to work on that, but I got it to work for everything. I think I have like 2 X's or whatever. So yeah, I didn't work on the productive app. I meant to, however, just the way the day went, like whatever I was in the mood to do, I just kind of rolled with it. I don't really plan out my day per se. Like I have things in mind that I want to do, but like since I was in an algorithm kind of mood and it had been a while since I've actually done algorithms, it was good practice to go back to it. And like my main goal though was, I said I wanted to get through the Jest section, and then I also want to get my certificate off free code camp, because like I said, after I finish the productive app, that's pretty much the end of JavaScript, well, vanilla JavaScript anyway, and then I'll be moving on to React. So either way, whether I work on the app or not, I still made progress in other areas. So tomorrow, I probably will start my day, just at least finish this Pig Latin algorithm, just because it was irking me that I couldn't solve that one little part. And then I have one more Jest test that I have to do. I didn't even read that problem description for that one. It's something about arrays or whatever. So I'll look at that. And then there's another section on Jest testing that goes over, I think they call it mocks or mock-ups, something like that. I don't know if that had an assignment to go. I think it may have had an assignment to go with it. And the next thing is the Battleship project, where you're making a game. I still haven't decided if I want to do the game, just because like I know I'm not going to put it on my portfolio. And at this point, I'm focusing on portfolio type stuff. Doing the little exercises, actually writing Jest tests, to me is enough practice for that. I don't really want to make a game with that or whatever. I may change my mind, but we'll see. But yeah, overall, good day. Tomorrow, though, hopefully I'll at least watch the lecture for week 4 of CS50. Even if I don't do anything else with it, at least knock out the lecture, and then either work on the app, work on free code camp, finish that Jest section. But yeah, so that's where I'm at, day 5.